Hey folks, it's Dan from BrickToLife.com, and I'm here with Sensei Wu from Ninjago, and we are going to build his awesome white, flying white dragon. I was going to say white flying dragon, but I have to say it in order, right? So let's start the build here, and there's lots and lots of white pieces, so it can get a little confusing. So spread them all out and get a nice view of them. He wants us to start here with this little 1x2 piece with the bar on the back. It then tells us to take a 1x3 piece and put it along the front of that, and then take a gold stud, that's a gold square stud, and attach that on the back like that. Then on the flip side, it wants us to take this almond colored front piece here and put it on the front there. Then attached to that, it wants us to add a 1x3 piece here, like that. And then there are these angled pieces that are hinged together. It wants us to grab both of those. Oh, it was disguised as a different brick. And we're going to attach one of those to each side, starting to form the wings here of the dragon. And we want the wings to face back, away from the gold stud. Now, on top of several of the pieces, we're going to put these single studs with the round grip, with the round click on it. And you want to pay attention to the way it's telling you to put these together. Oh, I see. I put these on upside down. I'm supposed to put them on like that. That makes sense. My apologies. Take a jump back there. All right, now it wants us to take all 5 of these studs. So the 2 studs that go at the back of the almond-shaped round piece are parallel to the round piece. And actually, if you close the wings and you just build it like this, they should all match the direction they face, except for the one that goes on the end, the tail there. Cool. All right, so now we have that assembled. Then we're going to take 2 of the dragon decorative pieces here and click those into those open wings that we just put in. And we're going to take 2 more of them and do that right behind the set we just clicked in. So there and here. And on the back, it wants us to take one of these wispy pieces and attach that in as the tail. Okay, so where we are so far. Now it wants us to take 2 single square gold studs and clip them together on top of each other like that. Then take these gray cube kind of pieces, click the gold stud, and then put them on each side of the double gold stud bricks that we just put together. Like that. On the bottom, it wants us to add another gold stud. Another square gold stud. So we'll do that. Then it wants us to flip it on its side and attach a brown stud. The brown 1x2 piece here. There so far. Then, using the L-shaped pieces that aren't hinged, just attach those to the sides. Then this clear stud piece, we'll attach that on top of the one side of the brown one by one, and then add this angled brown piece here to the other side, like that. Then, taking these two clear blue pieces, we will attach them to the side of the back gray cube, there and there. And then to secure those pieces, we're going to stick on these white 1x2 with the single studs there. All right. There's that. Now on each side, we are going to put a clear blue stud on the clear blue piece, and then a gold round stud on the top white piece. That. And then using these flat pieces with the grips on them, I'm going to attach those to the sides of the gold stud that we just clipped on in the last step. And now it wants us to flip over this whole dragon piece, and we're going to attach this to the dragon piece, this side up like this. We're going to clip the piece tail to the back, right? We're going to clip this gray stud and line it up right with the front. So that we have that. Then, while it's still upside down, we're going to take these flat pieces with the tubes on them, and on one side of the tube, little round stud piece, we're going to attach a angled stud with the slope facing forward. We're going to do that to both of them. And then we're going to attach those pieces onto the blue studs like that. And now it wants us to take this little 1x2 piece, attach these little 1x1 studs with the grip handles on them. Like that. Then on the front, we're going to put a angled white piece on, and then a blue stud, solid blue stud. On top of that single solid blue stud, we're going to add this little weird horn baguette looking piece, and on the front we're going to give him his dragon mustache like that. Now we're going to flip the piece over, and right here in this little bar we're going to clip those together, so now he's got his movable head. And then using this little gray disc, wants us to clip that on top of the tag piece, and then attach that one round clear stud to the tag. And there you go, folks. There is Sensei Wu's awesome dragon. As always, thanks for watching. Visit us at brickstolife.com. Please subscribe if you have not already, and check back and we'll share Phase 2 and Phase 3 of the Flying White Dragon in just a bit. Thanks for watching, guys.